guys, so after sharing the burger buns recipe, I thought I will show you something to actually put in the burger buns, and I have just made this up and I'm hoping that you guys will love it. I am making crispy pan fried tandoori chicken burger. Oh yes, so easy, simple, and so good. So let's get started. So I have shared the recipe for fried chicken burger before, and I've shared some other fried chicken. I do love fried chicken, but this one is slightly different because of the flavors, and yeah, it'll be really good as a burger. The buns are proving. I'm gonna prepare some of the chicken. So I've got, just gonna take roughly 200 grams of buttermilk, and to this I'm going to add some spices. So in this buttermilk I'm going to add half a teaspoon. I've got salt here. Actually I'm going to make it 3/4 teaspoon, and then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of tandoori masala. Oh yeah. And then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Lovely. And then just mix it. And here I have got a chopping board. I've got 4 chicken thighs, no bone, no skin. I prefer chicken thighs to chicken breast, but if you like to use chicken breast, you are welcome to do that. And what I just want to do is just flatten it very slightly so it cooks a bit quicker. So I'm just gonna flatten these chicken pieces very slightly. Not going to squash them completely. Just want to kind of make it quicker to cook, I guess. And they should all be similar size, so you know how much time it needs to cook. And that's it. So that's our mixture. They go straight in. Oh yeah. Just a good coating. So I've got 1 hour. So the buns are proving here for an hour, and that is just enough time to marinate these in the fridge. I'm going to let it chill in the fridge. You can do this overnight, but clearly I didn't remember to do that. So I am going to just get some around 150-200 grams of corn flour, and I've just realized that I haven't got enough, but I've got some potato starch here, so I'm just going to mix both of these up, and that should work equally well. So I've just got around 150 grams here, and to this I'm just going to add some flavor. So a little bit, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and all I'm going to do is just going to mix it properly. A little bit more black pepper. And that's it. Then it's ready for the chicken. So I have just got here 1 red onion. I've cut them in circles, and just a little pinch of salt, and also a little pinch of red chili powder, and then some lemon juice. Cover, shake, and then just let it sit while we cook the chicken. Look at that. So the flour, spiced up flour is here, the chicken is here, and I've got the onions here, I've got some salad leaves, and I'm just going to get one of these out. Okay, so just going to make sure that I've coated it well in the mixture, buttermilk, and then just goes in the corn flour mix. Just coat it well. Oh yes. And I am not going to deep fry these. I'm actually going to pan fry these. So I'm just going to get some oil in a pan, nice and hot, and then cook this. There it goes. I'm just going to do one more because I can actually fry two at a time. So from here, it goes in here. I'm going to add some oil to the pan. Just going to shallow fry this. Just let it get a bit hot. So once it's nice and hot, in goes our chicken pieces. So I'm going to cook this for 3 to 4 minutes, 3 minutes on each side. So it's been 3 minutes. I'm just going to turn this. Oh my dear God, wow. Just going to put a timer for another 3 minutes and cook on this side as well. And they are ready to come out. Oops! Okay, now they're ready to come out. And here are the buns freshly out of the oven, ready for the chicken. So I've got this beautiful brioche bun, absolutely stunning, and it's still slightly warm. Oh yes, just look at the texture on that. So I'm going to get some butter first. First is butter, okay, then it is going to be some salad leaves. Next is going to be this beautiful chicken, and on this side and on top of the chicken, okay, is going to be lovely onion slices. My mouth is watering right now. And here I'm going to do something crazy. So I've got some mayo here, and I've got some coriander chutney in here, and I'm going to mix it because that is going to go amazingly well with our tandoori chicken burger. That goes in here. Oh my goodness. And that goes on top of our burger bun. Just let it drip down. And that is your tandoori fried chicken burger with chutney mayo. And here it is, the most delicious looking. I am ready to eat this. I can't wait anymore. Ooh. Oh. That is unbelievable. That mayo with chutney The chicken is so crispy, and you can taste the tandoori masala, and the onions are just perfect with this. Hope you will give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you don't miss out on any recipes. And let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What is your favorite burger filling? Let me know. I'm going to sit down, enjoy this, and I'll see you next week with another new recipe.